Your iPhone holds years of data that matters to you. Photos, music, files, messages, WhatsApp chats, and many other. Whether you want to export that data from your iPhone or iPad to your computer, back up your device, transfer files quickly, or manage all your devices in one place, you either have to rely on Apple's tools or choose a third-party alternative. Apple's tools offer only a limited set of features, mostly built around iCloud, Finder on macOS, or iTunes and Apple devices on Windows. They are cloud-first, restrictive, and built around Apple's ecosystem, not yours. iMazing changes that by letting you access your data and keep full control over your device, right on your computer. In the next 3 minutes, you'll get a taste of what it can do. iMazing is native software for Windows and macOS that gives you complete iPhone and iPad management. Back up your device, transfer photos, music, books, and any other data, all without iCloud or iTunes. Download and install iMazing at iMazing.com to get started. No account is required, it runs right on your computer, and many features are free. Here's what it looks like. Once your device is connected and paired, it appears in the Devices list on the left. Click on it to open the device overview. At the top, you'll see the main datasets: photos, music, messages, WhatsApp, and more. To the right are quick actions: quick transfer, backup, manage apps, export all data, and other useful functions for quick access. In the center, an overview of your device, key details at a glance. At the bottom, a storage breakdown showing what's taking space and what's still free. And on the right, battery status and health. Everything you need to know about your device on one screen. iMazing is more than a data access tool. It's a full device manager. To begin, create a backup of your device. Click Backup, and iMazing saves a complete image of your iPhone. This snapshot is fully restorable, and all the data it contains can be accessed right on your computer, whether the device is connected or not. Each time a backup is performed, iMazing creates a new snapshot, recording incremental changes over time. This gives you access to the complete history of your device and data, just like a time machine. Lost your iPhone today? Go back to yesterday's snapshot. Accidentally deleted a conversation 3 weeks ago? Go back to an earlier snapshot and view its content. iMazing Mini, the companion app, handles this automatically in the background on the schedule you set. Click Manage Apps to see everything installed on your device. You can download and install apps directly from the App Store, right from your Mac or PC. Backup app data individually, so if you ever delete something by mistake, your data is still safe and ready to restore. Remove the apps you no longer use, cleanly, without leaving anything behind. Full control, no restrictions. Click Photos, and iMazing loads your entire library directly from the device. Navigate your photos the way you prefer. Full library view, media type, or album. Select what you want and export, with the option to convert HEIC to JPEG on the fly. Drag and drop straight to your desktop. Done. Click Messages to browse every conversation on your iPhone, including iMessage, SMS, and WhatsApp. Export any thread as a PDF, Excel file, or CSV. Full metadata included, full chat history, attachments, everything. Exportable in multiple formats. Need to get a file onto your device fast? Drag any file, like a PDF, an MP3, or a photo, to iMazing. The app automatically detects which apps on your phone can receive it, and transfer happens in seconds. No cloud, no AirDrop, no fuss. There's a lot more in here. Music. Transfer tracks freely between your computer and device without iTunes sync rules. Contacts. Export, import, and manage your address book directly. Notes, voice memos, Safari history, calendars, call history, voicemail, and many other, all browsable, all exportable. For power users, the File System browser gives you access to app sandboxes, the media partition, and iOS backup files and folders. iMazing also lets you restore or update iOS or iPadOS and access advanced device diagnostic and developer tools. iMazing is a free download and a free trial. Your privacy is never compromised. Your device's data remains always encrypted. Your data stays on your computer, external drive, or NAS, not in the cloud. That's just a quick overview. Each feature shown in this video has its own dedicated tutorial on this channel. Start with backups if you haven't set one up yet. That's the one that matters most. Subscribe for more iMazing tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.